Eyes underneath barbell. Bridge up and retract and depress your scapula strongly down towards your back pocket. Keeping feet symmetrical, walk them towards your hips. Symmetrically grip the barbell. Breathe in and create as much tension as you can in your abs, glutes, lats, legs, arch, and grip. On-rack the barbell and swim it forward over your sternum. Your upper arm should be at a 45-degree angle to your ribcage. Row the bar into your sternum. Pause on the chest. Tighten glutes and drive hard through your feet into the ground while simultaneously driving the bar off your sternum. Your buttocks and head must remain in contact with the bench. Your upper arm at 45-degree angle with your ribcage throughout the lift. The barbell path should be a straight line and not to curve up towards your clavicle until you are ready to re-rack the barbell. Really focus on creating tension from your head to your toe each rep.